Forex, stocks, futures, Trademiner 5.0 picks of the week.
Hey ForexMilitia, okay, welcome to the Trademiner Picks of the week, and we have the Forex, we have the stocks, and we have the futures. We have a bearish Usdcad, right, from August the 8th to August the 26th. A 10-year sample, so this is pretty, and it's, what do we have, 80% win rate, so that's pretty good. And then we have Trademiner stocks. We have bearish Chevron Corp. All right. Interesting with what just happened with Chevron. Chevron had some good earnings, and it went up like 13 points. So that's killer. So looking for a bearish situation is going to might be a little bit hard. All right. So August the 9th to August the 29th. 7-year sample, right, and with a win rate of 85. And on I did not do the neural network on any of these. I just picked them. So okay, we got a bearish US dollar, and the US dollar has been pretty bearish. It's actually that's not true. It's been bullish, but it's been retracing. So we'll see if it actually retraces in August, if there's any type of retracement in August. Okay, so let's get to the charts and see how this sets up. Alright, so here we go. The Usdcad. Alright, we have a bearish, right, and right now it's setting up. I have a setup over here that's making this look like this is bearish. Let me take some of this stuff off here and make it look a little bit cleaner. Okay, that's pretty decent. Yeah, all right. Just a nice clean look, right? And this right here it looks like it's basically going to fall. It's something that I learned in my years of basically trading, that this 50 moving average mimics the MACD 12.26.9 very, very closely. So when you see this go above the 50, usually it's going above the 0 line on the MACD. So that's just a little pro tip from me. Alright, so this went above a little bit and it came back below. So it's looking like it's coming below the 0 line on the MACD and going short. Alright, so we could probably take this now going into here. Alright, and most likely it will probably finish off. I'm gonna put like first target down here at the structure low, at the support line. So that's most likely what I'm gonna do. And then on Chevron, we have this, like what I was talking about earlier. It spiked up an 8% move because earnings were so good, and we've got a bearish situation coming up in August the 9th. So I don't know how that's gonna set up. I'll give it a look-see. I'll monitor it and see if we can actually take that trade. But as you can see, we had another trade here for Chevron a couple of weeks ago, and this one did not complete with profitable. Okay, so that was a non-profit, and I did not take this trade because of that. I didn't even take the blind because it did not set up for me properly. So okay, okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and move over to the Dixie, the dollar is bearish. As you can see, it's bullish. I'm sorry, it's bullish, but it's in a retracement. So very interesting. It would be interesting to see if this actually does go bearish some more. But I think what's going to happen is it's setting up for a pullback and a long trade. So I'll monitor this also. And so with that, let's go into the review. Okay, I didn't take many trades. I'm slowing down a little bit because I'm starting to use Trademiner a little bit differently. And so with that, we have my account actually grew to 140K. So basically for the year, no, I would say I couldn't say. I'm not keeping records that accurately, but it does look like this gold trade is going to complete pretty decently. This was a retracement move, so that basically was not. I don't believe. No, I did not take this gold trade using Trademiner. This was actually a trade that I took that showed divergence, bullish divergence, and I took this trade. So that was not done coming from Trademiner. But I can take a quick look to see if Trademiner actually had a trade for that. Let's get this, pull this down. Let's see. Let's go to go. And for July. And so I don't see 29th. Let's find the instrument of gold. Comex gold. Here, July 14th to August 10th. We have a bullish call. So let's look at that on a chart. From the 14th to August the 10th. From here, wrong color, to August the 10th. And the 10th is over here. Alright, let's open up the chart so you can see that. And you got a bullish call in that zone. Look at that. So Trademiner might have actually given you some insight into this area over here for a bullish call. Alright, so I'm not going to say anymore. Please, you know, it's an affiliate link in my description. Give this a test out. Give Trademiner 5.0 a test out. Okay, and with that, I'm not going to go any further. I'm just going to say knowledge is power. Be power hungry and power to the people. And this is Parzival with the Trademiner Picks of the Week, signing out.